The human body has multiple muscles that help with hip flexion. We're going to stretch two of them, the iliopsoas and the quadriceps femoris. The iliopsoas muscle is a one joint hip flexor, meaning that it attaches at the pelvis and attaches at your upper thigh. The quadriceps femoris muscle is a two joint hip flexor, attaching at the pelvis, crossing the hip, crossing the knee, and attaching at the base of the knee. In order to stretch them, you're going to need a hard surface that's elevated and a stretch strap with a loop. You're going to want to put your foot through the loop. You're going to want to lay on the edge of the table the way your leg is freely hanging off the table. You want to make sure that your spine is not arched. You want to flatten your back, tuck your tail between your legs, and feel like your belly button is going in closer to your spine. In order to stretch your iliopsoas muscle, you want your hip and leg to go into extension. You want to create a little bit of extension, keep that belly button tucked in towards the spine, and then you want to create tension by bending the knee. You'll start to feel the stretch higher up on the thigh if the leg is in to more extension. You want to hold medium intensity for 1 to 2 minutes and then back off. In order to stretch the quadriceps femoris muscle, now you don't want your leg to be into as much extension. You want it to be pretty neutral. You can scoot back more onto the table so your leg is more neutral. Then you're going to try to bend your knee even more. Tension is going to be developed in the front of the thigh, so you're going to be feeling it further down closer to your knee. Again, medium to deep intensity, 1 to 2 minute holds. You want to make sure that your pelvic position is tucked to where your spine is flat and your belly button is sucked in towards your spine in order to create the most tension and to stretch that quadriceps femoris muscle without any pressure on your back.